Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have another unboxing for you. They're finally starting to come through in April's boxes now, and it is Birchbox. Yep, here we go, Birchbox for April 2020. Let's get in and have a look. Ooh, I love that sound. Ooh, this looks a pretty box. Oh, look at that. Isn't that stunning? There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Just hold that up for you. Again, it's this straw style, which I love. I just think it's something a bit different. Here we go, let's open it up. All right, and the theme this month is one of a kind. Oh, and it seems to be a collaboration box with Anthropology. Here we go. This is the card we've got inside on the top. And ooh, oh, I'm interested. I've just seen the sneak peek for May, and we're going to be getting a coloured mascara. By the make Mana Kadar. There's either, it's a bloom mascara, and you get the choice of either hot pink or cool aqua. Can you guess which colour I'm going to be going for? But there we go, I'll just show you. That's the sneak peek for May. That is amazing. I've never seen any other box do a coloured mascara. I am so excited for that. You won't. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Cannot wait. So inside this leaflet, it tells us all about the products that's inside, and there is also a discount code here for Anthropology, and it's 20% off your next purchase. I'll hold this up. There we go. So you can pause this and write this code down if you wish to use it. However, I will pop it in the description box down below as well. Alrighty, okay. Let's get into it then. Let's see what we've... So the first thing I've picked out, this was the... Whoops, I'm dropping it. This was the sneak peek from last month. This is the Kinda Beauty Mood Balm in Positivity Pink or Sorbet Serenity. Now, I actually chose Positivity Pink. Okay, so basically it's a tinted lip balm. Now then, I'm not a pinky girl. I'm not an orangey girl as such. And I'm just really not a tinted lip balm kind of person. I do like lip balms, I do use them, but yeah, I'm a bit funny about tinted ones. I don't know why. So this is all sealed, and it's going to remain sealed. I'm not going to swatch it or show you, but the RRP of this is £13. Wow. So, and I will show you the products. There we go. So this was the choice of the two colours we got. This one was the Positivity Pink. This one here was the Sorbet one. So this is the one I chose. There we go. That's product number one. Product number two. Ooh, oh, I'm so pleased this is in here. Right, sorry. Okay, this is the Nux Whole Product Ice. This is the all over face, body, hair oil. It's multi-purpose oil. Now then, my sister Liz got me a Birchbox for a Christmas present, which is what introduced me to this subscription box, and she'd popped one of these in there. This is a 10ml bottle. I'm literally just getting down to the bottom of it now. I use it in my hair every day, and I do find that it gives my hair a lovely shine. It also helps to detangle my hair. I love the smell of it. It's absolutely divine, and it says it's got a gorgeous blend of 6 essential oils, including almond, camellia and hazelnut. It's got vitamin E in it, and you do literally need, I think I use 2 or 3 drops in my hands, and then I rub it through my hair before I blow dry it. So I am chuffed to bits with that, because the RRP of this is £29.50. Now I do know that 10ml is not a full size, so this is like a deluxe mini size. I think the full size is 100ml. I'm not 100%. If I can figure out how much this 10ml worth, I'll pop it under here and let you know. But yeah, I'm really pleased that's in there, because I need another one, so that's awesome. And the next one. Okay, this is, alright, okay, this is another product that I won't use because I just don't use these. But anyway, this is by the make Percy and Reed. It is a travel size 50ml dry shampoo. Now the RRP of this full size is £6. Again, what I'll do is, if I can figure out how much this travel size is worth, I'll pop it under here for you. Yeah, I mean, it says it's a unique formula, contains ultrafine corn flour, which absorbs excess oil without leaving a residue in your hair. The limited edition fragrance with peony, rose and rhubarb will leave your hair smelling oh so wonderful. So that will, I don't know, again, not quite sure what I'll be doing with that, but I will be passing that on in some way, whether that's in a giveaway or as a present to a friend. Yeah. There we go. But it's nice, you know, it's a nice product to have in there. Again, not something I've received in a subscription box, so it's something a bit different. Okay, next one. Okay, this is by the Brushworks company. Apparently it's exclusive to Birchbox, and it's a facial silicone cleansing pad. Here we go. The RRP of this is £4.99. Now, I'm not quite sure if that's for this size or for a bigger one. In my leaflet, it doesn't say that this is full size, so I would assume this is a mini size, but I'm not sure. Okay, I have had one of these before. I got it in a Tribe beauty box. I didn't like it. I tried it as a facial one and I didn't like it. For me personally, it just felt weird and awful on my skin. I just didn't like it. I think it's a great product though. It has like a little handle, like a pop socket handle on the back, so you can slot it through your fingers. And you know, from that respect, it was really easy to use. Just popped a little bit of e-cleanser on there and away you went. Again, me personally, I'm not a fan. They don't suit me. But, you know, if you're somebody out there who loves these, I know they're not cheap. So, yeah. So, again, it's nice to have it in there. So, but again, that is yet another product that will be passed on for me this month. And the last product in the box is... Ooh... This is by the brand Hoosians, and it's an organic purifying face wash. Now then, this I'm interested in. Here we go. It's a gel face wash as well. Let me just see if I can get it to focus a bit better. Ring light's a bit bright for white packaging. There we go. So, what does it say? The RRP of this is £21 for the full price. This is a 30ml tube, this one. Again, if I figure out how much this particular size is worth, I will pop it down below. It's a purifying cleanser that doesn't strip your essential moisture. It says it's for all skin types. It's got tea tree, aloe vera and glycerin in. Eliminates every last trace of makeup and dirt without leaving your skin feeling dry or tight. Just bright, clear and healthy. Gently massage onto wet skin, rinse and off you go. So very excited to try this. I currently use a gel face wash from the Body Shop from their seaweed range. I've used it for absolutely years and years and years. Really like it. But it was funny because literally the other day I was thinking, we don't get facial washers in subscription boxes. We get cleansers, we get toners, we get face scrubs. We don't get face washers. And what's that in there? So I'm very pleased to be able to try that. Really nice. I like it. Let's see if I can have a sniff if it's not sealed. Is it? Oh, no. Oh yeah, you can smell the tea tree. Definitely in there. So I will be interested to try that. Tea tree and me are not the best of friends, to be perfectly honest, but the fact it's got the aloe vera in there as well. Aloe is a great cell rejuvenator, so it actually encourages skin cell renewal. So yeah, really, really nice. I like that. And that's everything. We have 5 products in the box, so let's just do a quick tot up. This is the only full-size product, so for a value of a box wise, it's going to be a bit tricky. But basically, we've got that worth £13. We've got this travel size dry shampoo. We've got the facial cleansing pad, silicone pad. We've got the face wash that you could use with it. And then we've got the multi-purpose Nux oil, hair, body, you know. It says face, body and hair, sorry. So yeah, quite a nice box. Is it going to be the best one for me? Probably not, because there's literally only 2 products in there that I will keep and use, which are those 2. However, you know, I think it's nice. You don't often get things like dry shampoos in. Little tools like this are always handy to have, aren't they? Yeah, so not a bad box this month. Like I say, I will try and find out all the RRPs of these particular sizes of products, and I will pop it down below, and then I'll also do a total for you at the end. But anyway, that's my thoughts and feelings on this month's Birchbox. Let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. And if you'd love, you know, if you'd consider subscribing, that'd be amazing. Either press this red button down here that says subscribe, or the little circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. If you'd like to go and check some other content out that I've done, I'll pop some options up here for you now. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe, keep well, keep inside, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.